Okay, so first of all, very good morning to all of you. Right now I am in my gym. It's around 10:30, not 10:30. It is 11 now, 11:15. And the reason why I am coming to the gym so early is that today there is a legendary cricket match, as you all know. It's Sunday, 4th June. So we have India versus Pakistan today. So that's the reason I am in the gym. So the match starts by 1:30. I need to get home anyhow before 1:30, getting my workout done. So today, most probably I'll be doing some cardio and some abs, and maybe, if possible, if time permits, then I'll do some bicep, triceps, my arms. So yeah, I'll get my workout done and I'll get back to you all. Okay, so just done with the workout, and because of some reasons I was not allowed to shoot in the gym. So yeah, I don't know why people feel weird, why people watch and why people feel weird when someone is shooting something. Those people were like, you cannot shoot in the gym and all. So my point was only one thing, that if you're not allowing me to shoot in the gym, you shouldn't allow any other person to shoot or upload any video or photo clicked in the gym and upload it on social media, because this content is for my channel, and if you're not allowing me, it is for social media basically. If you're not allowing me, then you shouldn't allow any other person. But then too, they were not allowing me, so I was like, chuck, I don't want to spoil my Sunday, and as today it's India versus Pakistan, so I didn't want it to spoil my mood because of that. Basically, I didn't want to make it an issue. So yeah, most probably I'll be changing my gym when my membership gets over. It's around 3 months left for me. So yeah, I'll be going to some other gym, some good gym, where people can understand the practicality and basic things about social media and all such stuff. Even last time, if all people know, even last time I was not allowed to shoot on Dadar station, and same thing happened this Sunday. So yeah, nothing can be done. To leave that thing aside, and I'm very happy today because it's Sunday and it's India versus Pakistan today, and you can say India versus Pakistan is like a biggest rivalry. It is like El Clasico of cricket, as we have Real Madrid and Barcelona playing as the biggest rivalry. Same is of India Pakistan. If you see, there's no such big rivalry between two countries like India Pakistan. So I'm very excited for that. And अगर इंडिया जीत गया तो सच में धमाल होने वाला है, धमाल. So yeah, it's pretty awesome today. I don't have any plans particularly to go somewhere out and watch the match. Most probably I'll be sitting home, and if possible, evening time I'll be going out with my friends for the match purpose only if India wins. So yeah, and right now we are going to get something for us to eat because it's Sunday, and as usual it's my cheat day, defeat day. So yeah, most probably we'll be going to have something good, not that good, but अच्छा कुछ खा लेंगे. Okay, so almost reached Shivaji Park, and the truck which you're seeing behind me there, actually those are farmers. वो farmers है. पहले क्या होता था earlier, अभी भी होता है but अभी कम होता है. Basically पहले क्या होता था कि there was a bunch of people, like there were some people who used to transport all the produce of the farmers. They used to buy the stuff from the farmers, खरीदते थे and फिर उसको transport करके इधर लाते थे. So अभी क्या हो गया, अभी these farmers have become very smart. उन्होंने क्या किया, पहले क्या होता था कि ये जो भी उन लोगों का प्रोड्यूस है, all the vegetables which are there, the other people used to buy and they used to come here and sell it at a higher price. Like if they are getting something for $10, some vegetables for $10, they used to come here and sell it for $25. So 15 रुपये का प्रॉफिट होता था वो लोग को. So अभी ये लोग ने क्या किया, ये लोग ने खुद का ट्रक ख़रीदा या भाड़े पे लिया, आई डोंट नो दैट स्टफ. दे हैव रेंटेड और लीज्ड एनीथिंग, बट ये लोग ने अभी जो भी चालू किया है, इट इज़ वेरी गुड बिकॉज दीज वेजिटेबल्स विच यू गेट आर वेरी फ्रेश एंड secondly they are very cheap as compared to all the bhaiyas, all the people who sell on the station road of Dadar. Very cheap, and a big thumbs up for these people for doing this. And every morning they come here. This is not only the one truck, there are a couple of trucks standing over there at that end, also at that end. So yeah, a very good thing, a very good initiative taken by farmers to earn money, because पहले क्या होता था, वो लोग को 10 रुपये मिलता था. So now what they do, they sell it for 15 rupees, तो 5 रुपये प्रॉफिट होता है. तो इनिशियली हमें वो जो वेजिटेबल है वो बहुत सस्ते में मिल जाता है. So yeah, a very good initiative taken by farmers, a very big thumbs up for these people. And yeah, I'll catch you once I reach there. Bye bye. So Carter's Blue behind me. Okay, so finally my plate of happiness has arrived. See, you can see here I have a chicken shawarma, which is my favorite, and yeah, I'll eat this and I'll get back to you all. Okay, so just done eating and walking back home. It's 1 o'clock right now and I have got something for me to eat while watching match. आज दोपहर का खाना नहीं होगा, आज दावत होगी, because it's India versus Pakistan. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है यार, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, because it is one of a kind, you know, trademark, India versus Pakistan.
2 hours later.
Okay, so just decided to go for a quick run because the game has stopped due to rain and it's been around 15 minutes. Actually, I had plans to come for a run after the first innings, but since there are more 20 overs to go and it's been too long that game has stopped, so I've decided to go for a run. Actually, the game had stopped in the beginning stages, but it began quickly, so that was pretty good. But अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया गेम स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है एंड घर पे बैठ के आई वॉज गेटिंग बोर्ड. एंड सेकेंडली जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू चेक द अरेंजमेंट्स इन द शिवाजी पार्क, those projector arrangements which they have made near Shivaji Park Gymkhana. So just going there, checking out if the arrangements are good. And we have some people over here. These some.
Hi guys, it's Omkar.
एक मिनट, इधर दिख रहा नहीं है कुछ. आ गया थोड़ा आ गया इधर.
So guys, you can check out my channel on YouTube, Fun with Vlogs.
Can you imagine this little guys have their channel on YouTube?
And subscribe BJ Fit. He's a really great guy.
Thank you so much.
And check out my channel SRN Vlogs. Please do subscribe and share. और कुछ मत करना, बस
इतना ही.
हाँ.
इतना ही चाहिए. अरे कमेंट करने को ही बोलने का.
कमेंट क्यों?
चलो बाय, ठीक है, बाय.
इसको सब्सक्राइब करना.
Bye. So guys, they were the small kids from my building, from my society. Even these small kids, they are just in 5th or 6th standard, I guess. But these people have their channel on YouTube. Can you imagine this? pretty awesome guys, pretty awesome. So yeah, किधर है भाई arrangements? Where are the arrangements? Okay, so I can initially see some arrangements. Not able to see the big screen. You can see behind me there is something, कुछ तो है वहाँ, but no such big screen arranged over here. Let me go and ask there. भाई यहाँ पे बिग स्क्रीन कोई लगाया था, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? मतलब मैच के टाइम स्क्रीन लगा था? अच्छा, बंद किया? क्यों?
कंप्लेन किया पुलिस वाले।
अच्छा, पुलिस वाले ने बंद किया। ओके ओके, कूल कूल, थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, सो सैडली गाइज ओवर देयर, उधर अरेंजमेंट्स किया था, यू कैन सी ऑल द चेयर्स ओवर हियर, बट देयर वाज एन प्रॉब्लम आई गेस. दैट गाय टोल्ड मी दैट पुलिस वालों ने बंद करने को बोला. लाइक पुलिस पीपल केम एंड दे स्टॉप्ड. सो या, पोपट हो गया. A big popat. Okay, so I was running and I met this bastard over here. You all be knowing him. He is Mr. Sumit.
I'm famous, bro. Tell me something new.
हाँ, रहने दे. मालूम है कितना फेमस है भाई.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, bro? What's up? क्या कर क्या रहा है? इंडिया का मैच है, तू इधर क्या बैठ के C5 पे क्या कर रहा है?
बस क्या टाइम लैप्स ले रहा था, तेरे को देख रहा था.
मेरे को? मैं तो रनिंग कर रहा था, मैं अभी आया.
तेरे लिए वेट कर रहा था, मेरे को पता था तू इधर ही आता है टाइम लैप्स लेने को.
हाँ क्या?
नो सब्सक्राइबर ब्रो, प्राउड सब्सक्राइबर.
बस क्या भाई?
DJ Fit family.
And one more bastard over here.
I'm a subscriber.
Okay, he is also my subscriber over here.
Oh, sir, एक ऑटोग्राफ.
अरे बस क्या भाई, देता हूँ ना यार, पेन तो दे मेरे को. अरे हाँ, ले. अरे बस क्या भाई.
DJ Fit family. #DJ Fit family.
चल ब्रो, सिया. एंड बाय द वे इसका चैनल बंद कर दिया है इसने. बंद कर दिया है.
क्रैश हो गया.
क्रैश नहीं, इसकी चूतिया, इसकी फालतूगिरी की वजह से गया चैनल.
ये आगे स्टार्ट करूंगा. I'll come up with something.
Yeah.
For sure.
ब्रो यार, टैलेंट
My fans, wait for me. I'm coming very soon.
चलो
चल ब्रो.
चल, बाय बाय, टेक
चल
केयर,
बाय ब्रो.
बाय. Okay, so first of all, a very good morning to all of you. Yesterday was awesome. India won the match and the match was pretty one-sided. Like after 15th over, it was confirmed that India is gonna win. And by the way, I am heading off to my site, which is in Vasai, and it's 9 o'clock right now in the morning. And let me cross the road. Okay, so yeah, the match was not that interesting, but it was okay, because at the end it was confirmed that India is gonna win, so not a big issue. And secondly, there was one big controversy going before the match that India shouldn't play against Pakistan, because as you all know, the relation between India and Pakistan, how they are going on right now, and many people, I don't want to take names, but some people have made videos on it and they have posted on social media. So yeah, a big controversy was going on, and there was one big issue which was uplifted that जब जीतते हैं तभी इंडिया की याद आती है. बाकी regularly when a soldier dies on the border, there is no like, तभी देशभक्ति नहीं आती है. जब भी ऐसा मैचेस होता है वो टाइम पे ऐसी देशभक्ति आती है. So that is wrong. But initially, even that thing was wrong, which was said that India shouldn't play against Pakistan because it is a World Cup. You cannot stop any team from playing a tournament because it is a world tournament. Whole world can play in it, and it is a Champions Trophy. So mostly all champions who were qualified in the World Cup, all the semi-finals, quarter-finals and finals, they were selected for the ICC Champions Trophy. They are selected. So basically you can't throw them out of the league just because India don't want to play. And in case if this happens and they put Pakistan in a other group, that is A group, then too there will be a big chaos, because if Pakistan wins and if it comes in finals, then what will India do? Because at the end it's like if Pakistan is coming into final and India has to play against it because it is a league. So yeah. Okay, so I am getting my tickets. Okay, so just got my tickets and I'll see you once I reach Vasai directly. Because I don't want to show all this traveling and all, because it gets boring, I know, and the vlog gets extended a lot. So yeah, I'll catch you once I reach Vasai. Okay, so just reached Vasai and I guess here it has not rained because it is dry as fuck here, and you can see how sunny it is. It's too hot here. So yeah. Okay, so just having a break, a small break, and the best thing about this site is that we have McDonald's over here. So whenever we want to hang out, we come at this McDonald's. If you're hungry, we eat, or we just take a Coke and sit there and just drink it and hang out. Yeah. Oh, feels great. Okay, so first of all, it's 10:30. Actually, yeah, it's almost 10:30. It's 10:29 at night. And actually, what happened, after having a food at McD, we had to go back on the site and we had to work. Like we worked till around 2:30, and थोड़ा काम था वो सब कर दिया. And after that we left. Around 2:30 को निकल गए. Like and after that it was like उधर बहुत गर्मी था. I guess उधर बारिश ही नहीं हुआ था, because of which it was so hot. And hats off to those workers who are working continuously from 9 o'clock. वो लोग कंटिन्यूसली 9 बजे से काम कर रहे थे, एंड एवरी डे दे वर्क 7 days a week, एंड एवरी डे फ्रॉम 9 to 6 दे वर्क. लाइक हैट्स ऑफ टू दीज गाइज. इतने गर्मी में काम करना कोई आसान चीज़ नहीं है, आसान बात नहीं है. So yeah, after leaving from Vasai, I had a work at Santa Cruz, and Vasai में इतना गर्मी था कि मेरा पूरा टी-शर्ट भीग गया था, and I was totally sweaty. My face was like बहुत dirt बैठ गया था. My face was dirty, so I washed my face. And then the whole journey from Vasai to Santa Cruz, I was sleeping because slow train था. Obviously हर एक स्टेशन रुकेगा, and daily I come by fast train, because of which बहुत फटाक से पहुँच जाता हूँ. Around 40 minutes में पहुँच जाता हूँ मैं. But slow train की वजह से it was like it took me around 40 minutes to reach Santa Cruz. So after reaching Santa Cruz, I had my work there. I went to do my work. फिर when I was leaving from there, from Santa Cruz, one of my friend called me and he was like, I want to meet you. Anyhow, I want to meet you today, because today he is leaving for Dubai, and he was like, मैं बहुत दिन के बाद आया हूँ and I want to meet you. So actually he stays here only, but for some reasons he was out of Mumbai. He was in Hyderabad. He came back from there, and now he is going to Dubai. I don't know why, but he's going to Dubai. So he was like, I am going again back out, so I'll not be there for more 2 or 3 months. So हम लोग around 8.5 months के बाद मिले, and it was pretty good. बहुत अच्छा लगा. So he told me to meet at Carter. So अभी उसको मना भी नहीं कर सकता मैं, because around 8 months के बाद मिल रहे हैं हम लोग, मतलब बोल रहे हैं मिलने को. So मैंने उसको मना नहीं किया, and I was like ठीक है. So he called me at Carter's. So I went, I got into the train. I got down at Bandra, and उधर से फिर Carter's गया. And after going to Carter's, like you were talking, मतलब बात कर रहे थे, and time कैसे गया पता ही नहीं चला. So while I noticed it was like 7 o'clock, and 7 o'clock 7 बज गया था तो भी ज़्यादा अंधेरा नहीं हुआ था. So it was pretty bright. So मेरे को लगा it will be around 6 o'clock, 6:30. So 7 बज गया था. And I was very hungry because कुछ खाया नहीं था दोपहर से. मील स्किप हो रहे हैं मेरे बहुत ये मतलब ये डेज में because of the sight and all. So कुछ खाया नहीं था दोपहर के बाद after my lunch. So we decided to go out to eat something there. कार्टर्स में ही हम लोग गए बाहर रेस्टोरेंट में. So I called my mom. I told her that I am going out to eat. Don't make any food for me. So हम लोग गए. We went in a hotel. We instead of eating on the street, we went in a good hotel. We had our food. And by the time I was leaving, it was like 9 o'clock. फिर दादर आते आते it was like 9:30. 9:30 हो गया. And दादर आते आते 9:30 हो गया. Then again उधर से घर पे आया, फ्रेश हुआ, and it was like 10 o'clock. एंड थोड़ा काम था घर पे, वो कंप्लीट करके आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू ऑल वन थिंग फॉर विच आई एम शूटिंग दिस पार्ट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू ऑल दिस little baby which I have got. This is my HP ProBook. HP ProBook i7 7th generation 7700K is the processor name, processor code you can say. Actually I bought this laptop because I was previously using this baby. This is my Lenovo. This is my Lenovo i5 Core 3rd generation. Actually, I was using this laptop and it doesn't have a graphic card. Like it has a graphic card, but it is very basic graphic card. And to run a software like Premiere Pro CC, CS6 or After Effects, any heavy software which you use for editing and all, like बहुत लैग होता था इस पे. मतलब when I used to scroll the video scroll नहीं होता था. So because of which बहुत problems हो रहा था मेरे को वीडियो एडिट करने में. So I requested my dad that I want a laptop. Basically this laptop was used by my dad whenever he goes out like for work out of Mumbai, out of India, he takes his laptop with him. So अभी तो ऑफिस का लैपटॉप है, like he uses another laptop. So ये लैपटॉप घर पे ही था. So I used to use this laptop, but बहुत लैग हो रहा था. So I requested him to buy like I wanted to buy this laptop. I want to buy a deck. Basically, initially it was like I want to buy a desktop, but then many of my friends suggested me, and many good YouTubers like who are my fellow friends, fellow YouTubers, they suggested me not to buy a desktop because at the end of the day desktop एक जगह पे रहता है and laptop you can carry anyhow anywhere. So they suggested me not to buy a desktop, go for a laptop because nowadays laptops are also good and it is like minimum 3 साल तो चल जाता है. And Premiere Pro CC run करने का, so there is no big deal. So I got all information about it and I was going to buy the laptop from Amazon because I was getting a good deal from Amazon. And there was one more site on internet from which I was getting the laptop, but I don't remember the name of the site. It was that laptop was going to get imported from UK. So I asked my the person who comes and does all the software work at my house. So I asked him. So he was like, don't buy it from Amazon. Initially I was going to buy a Asus ROG Republic of Gaming, which is used by one of my favorite YouTubers, Mumbaikar Nikhil, and also another favorite YouTuber of mine, that Your Indian Consumer. He had suggested Lenovo 510, which is a i5 7th generation processor वाला laptop. So it was like क्या करूँ, which one should I buy? And as suggested by my software person or my software engineer, he was like, don't buy it from Amazon. Instead of that, go to Lamington Road. So when I went Lamington Road, I was getting a very good deal because around 10,000 का फर्क मेरे को मिल रहा था. It was like 11 to 12,000 difference was there between the Amazon price and the Lamington Road price because उधर wholesale में मिलता है सब. So I went there, and the shopkeeper was very good. That he suggested me to buy this laptop instead of Asus ROG, because Asus ROG has a single CPU and this laptop has a 4 CPU. This laptop has 4 CPU, so it is pretty fast than Asus ROG. Asus ROG, I guess Asus ROG, I was going to buy the basic model, like the starting range, which was around, which was costing me around 83,000, and for the same price, I got this laptop, which has 4 CPU, and which is a i7 7th generation, and which has NVIDIA 6 GB graphic card and 4 GB RAM. So yeah, I got a very good deal on this laptop, and I'm going to make a comprehensive review and hands-on video of this laptop for you all guys. And if you want to buy such laptops, I highly recommend Lamington Road. You can just get down at Grant Road Station, go there, and there are many shops there. There you can go in every shop. Like you need to roam in every shop. Like you choose 5 or 6 shops, and you compare the prices, and wherever you get the best deal, you can go and get the laptop. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to show this baby of mine to you all. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know the vlogs are getting a little bit boring because I don't have any exciting work to do right now, because it's my vacation and I have to go every day on site to Vasai. And when I get back, I'm very tired, and again then I have to go to gym. So it's like the same routine continues every day. So it's pretty boring, and it's very difficult to show you all many things, because there is nothing done in my throughout the day. I'm doing nothing. So that's the reason the vlogs are getting little bit boring. So I'm trying my best to give you the best content of the day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, please, वो subscribe button है नीचे red color में subscribe लिखा हुआ है, please press it. And उसके बाद एक bell icon आएगा, please press that bell icon so you can get all notifications and all of my channel. Like whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification from YouTube that I have uploaded a video. So please press that like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know if the vlogs are good or not. And if you have any query regarding fitness, like if you have any query regarding your body or any supplementation, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can directly comment in the comment section. My Instagram ID is given in the description, so you can directly DM me on my Instagram. You can I reply very fast. I'm very active on Instagram, and I even reply to comments. I read each and every comment of you guys. You guys are very special to me. So thank you so much, guys. Till then, as always, work hard, play hard and style hard. And remember one thing, guys, hard work pays off, so keep working. And ये जो दिख रहा है ना, ये मेरे डैड का हार्ड वर्क है. So thank you so much, Dad, for buying this laptop for me. And as I said, hard work pays off. So hard work करते रहो, एक दिन it will pay you back. Thank you so much.